Is masturbation a problem? Well, talking about masturbation is always very difficult, even during consultation with men, with patients. I don't speak about that, with many people. So there is a shame around masturbation, but on the other hand, it's the very first experience of anybody with pleasure, men or women. But there is this social, idea that maybe masturbation is not something that should be done. And I know many patients that say, I never masturbate, and probably they're right. Probably they refrainate from masturbation, or probably they just not can say to anybody that they masturbate. Some patients ask me whether frequent masturbation can have been the problem driving them to erectile dysfunction. I always say, no. Masturbation doesn't put erections at danger, not at all. There is one exception, but you can understand it very easily. I had some patients saying, well, I have very poor erections. I do it 10, 15 times in a day, so the 14th time, I don't have good erection. I say, okay, your erection machine is not made to have more than, if you're young, let's say 5 masturbation a day, and when you get older, then less and less, maybe 1 a day, 1 in a week, and so forth. But this has nothing to do with the idea that masturbation can cause erection problems. And I'm very, clear on one very important point. Masturbation doesn't cause venous leakage, not at all. Okay? Now, can masturbation have a positive role in sexuality in general or in erection health? I think yes, for 2 kinds of things. You know that maintaining good erections requires erection to be, quite frequent. There are very nice papers, scientific papers, showing that the more erections, the more molecules within the penis are fitted to promote erection again. So I see some men who just retired in a way from erections. They, just stopped having erections, maybe because of an affective problem, maybe of a dangerous health condition, or maybe, their erections are not very good, so they want to escape the problem, so they stop dealing with erections at all. And I advise them to come back to erections by performing masturbation. Because when performing masturbation, you can be alone with your own ideas, so there is no pressure. So it's the best, environment in which a man can develop his erections. So that's a very good practice to recover good erections. In summary, masturbation is normal, it's life, it's erectile life, and it can promote erection life. So don't be ashamed of it, and just think how it can be something useful in your sexual life. If you have questions about erections, about problems you may face too, drop your questions in the comments here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can provide you with new, quite exciting information about erections.